सारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्। अकृत्सार्वधातुकयोर्दीर्घः। Number 7425. 7425. Niti is there. Just Yado Pratyayano. It is not there. So Angasya. Yi. Yeah. Yeah. Not needed. No, not there. E and Angasya. I think that much will do. So there is a Dirgha Vidhana. This is a Vidhi Sutra. It enjoins Dirgha. When a Dirgha is enjoined, we have to understand Achaha, because go to Ashtadhyayi 1.1. Where is it? Achashcha. Where is that sutra? Achashcha. Whenever, 28, 1 to 28. See, 1 to 27 is Ukalo Jhaswadirgha Plutaha. 1 to 28 Achashcha. This sutra means wherever Hraswa, Dirgha, Pluta are enjoined, you have to supply a word Achaha. Where Hraswa, Dirgha and Pluta are enjoined, then it has to be understood as it is in the place of Acha. So, because of this is a Paribhasha Sutra, Achashcha. So, because of this sutra, we get Achaha. Achaha. Just like Guna and Vriddhi, Ikaha will come. Like that, Hraswa Dirgha Pluta. You have to understand Achaha. Angasya Yi Achaha. Achaha is not Anuvritti. It is coming because of this sutra. So, Now, Anvaya. Angasya Achaha Sthani sorry, angasya, achaha is qualifying angasya, achaha angasya. Since achaha is qualifying angasya, ach itself may not be the anga. Ach is just a vowel. Anga will be more than that. So we have tadanta vidhi. Yena vidhis tadantasya. So ajantasya angasya. Ajantasya angasya. When there is a visheshana, we have to add tadantasya. Ajantasya angasya, and by alontya paribhasha antyasya. Sthane dirghaha adeshaha. Yi is saptami ekavachanam of ya, yakara. Yakara plus ni becomes yi. So what is this yakara? So saptami vibhakti indicates that it should follow. Ya should follow. Pare tasminniti nirdishte purvasya. So now what will follow? What has to follow? See, the adesha will happen in the place of anga. If adesha is happening in the place of anga, what has to follow? What follows is a pratyaya. Because only when pratyaya follows, there will be anga. Anga sanjna is possible only if there is a pratyaya. Therefore, because of the angasya, we can understand what follows is pratyaya. Therefore, we write yi pratyaye. Pratyaya is not there in the anuvritti, but we can understand. Yi pratyaye. Yi qualifies pratyaye. Now, ya itself cannot be the pratyaya. Therefore, yakarado pratyaye tadadi vidhi. In fact, when a visheshana qualifies a visheshya in saptami vibhakti, then we apply tadadi vidhi. Yi pratyaye will become yakarado pratyaye. Pratyaye. Yeah. So this is the rule. Then akrit sarvadhatukayoho. Akrit sarvadhatukayoho. So this is a negation. This rule will not apply if the yakaradi pratyaya is a krit pratyaya or a sarvadhatuka pratyaya. So akrit sarvadhatukayoho means na krit sarvadhatukayoho. Krit sarvadhatukayoho parayoho dirghadeshaha na bhavati. Anyasmin yakarado pratyaye pare ajantasyangasya अन्त्यस्य दीर्घः भवति। कृति सार्वधातुके च यकारादौ प्रत्यये परे दीर्घादेशः न भवति। कृत् सार्वधातुक भिन्ने यकारादौ प्रत्यये परे दीर्घः भवति। So see the book. Where is it? See, akrit sarvadhatukayordीर्घः अजन्ताङ्गस्य दीर्घः यादौ प्रत्यये न तु कृत् सार्वधातुकयोः अजन्ताङ्गस्य दीर्घः। An ajanta anga gets a dirgha adesha yadau pratyaye pare yakaradau pratyaye pare natu krit sarvadhatukayoh. If the yakaradi pratyaya is a krit pratyaya or a sarvadhatuka pratyaya, dirgha will not happen. So now let's go into Ashirling. Ashirling. Kshi plus tip. Since ling is a nit, the ikara will go away. Itascha. Then yasut parasmai padeshu dato ngiccha iti kshi plus yas plus takara kshi yas. Yeah. Now yas plus t, these two together is a pratyaya. Is this a sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka? Ling ashishi. There is a sutra. Yeah. Ling ashishi. In ashir ling. If the ling is used in ashihi, then it is ardhadhatuka. Vidhiling sarvadhatuka, but this is ardhadhatuka. So this is ardhadhatuka. Since it is ardhadhatuka, sorry, it is not sarvadhatuka and not krit also. Is it a krit pratyaya? No. What is krit? What is what pratyaya it is? First of all, let us discuss what pratyaya is this. Yas plus the. It is a thing pratyaya. It is a thing pratyaya. Is a thing pratyaya a krit pratyaya? A thing pratyaya, is it a krit pratyaya? No. Why no? Kridating. Yeah. Ating pratyayas which are enjoined under the given dhatvadhikara. That is 3192. Yeah. There are many pratyayas. Among them, ating pratyayas. All the pratyayas other than ting under that section are krit pratyayas. But this is a ting pratyaya. This is ting, and yas has come as a part of it. It doesn't have an independent identity. It's also it's a part of ting. So this is a ting pratyaya. Being a ting pratyaya, it is not a krit pratyaya. Therefore, akrit. It is not krit and not sarvadhatuka. So, akrit sarvadhatukayor dirghaha. अकृत सार्वधातुकयोर दीर्घः इति दीर्घादेशो भवति क्षी यास त. Now this is a sanyoga, ya sakara takara sanyoga. Then what will happen? Skos sanyogadyorante cha. Skos sanyogadyorante cha. Sakara will be elided. Kshiyat. Kshiyat. So similarly, kshiyastam, there sakara lopa will not happen. Tam, since it is not at the end, the sanyoga is not at the end. So sakara lopa will not happen otherwise in other places. So kshiyastam, kshiyasuhu, kshiyaha, kshiyastam, kshiyasta, kshiyasam, kshiyasva, kshiyasma are Shirling forms. Now lung. For lung, we need another sutra. Sichi vridhif parasmai padeshu. Sichi saptami ekavachana. Yeah. Anuvritti angasya. Yeah, I think that's all. First sutra, yeah. Yeah. So since it is vriddhi, iko guna vriddhi paribhasha, because of that paribhasha, we get ikaha. Ikaha will come because of iko guna vriddhi. So ikaha angasya. Ikaha qualifies angasya. Tadanta vidhi igantasya angasya. So ik antasya angasya. Igantasya angasya. Antyasya sthane vruddhihi adeshaha sichi parasmai padeshu. Yeah. Iganta anga. An anga ending with ik I U R L sthane antyasya sthane, at the place of the final letter, vriddhi adeshaha, vriddhi is substituted. Sichi, when sich follows, and the sich is in turn followed by a parasmai pada. Sich is not a parasmai pada. Sich is parasmai pada or atmane pada? Yeah, sich is neither parasmai pada nor atmane pada. Yeah, parasmai pada is tiptasji, etc. Yeah. So, what is parasmai pada sanya vidhayaka sutra? Laha parasmai padam, yeah, or lakara adeshas are parasmai pada. That is a general sutra. Then he takes away other things. Ardhadhatukam sheshaha, yeah, laha parasmai padam means ladeshas. Whatever comes in the place of lakara are called parasmai pada. But among them, certain things are removed. Yeah, tanganau atmane padau. If it is tang and ana, shanach and kanach, then they are atmane pada. So, the rest of the lakara adeshas, ladeshas, see, parasmai pada is not just a thing. Thing plus there can be other lakara adesha also. Because even Shatra is a lakara adesha, ladesha. Where does Shatra come? Latash Shatra Chau aprathama samanadhikarane. We will see this in detail in Kridanta. So, just a thing is not a ladesha. Thing plus Shatra, Shanach, Kanach, Kwasu, there are other pratyayas. So, we will see them among Krit pratyayas. Some Krit pratyayas come in the place of lakara, lat, lit, etc. So, that is another study. So, they are also included in giving the sanya parasmai pada and atmane pada. That is why Panini says laha parasmai padam, ladeshaha parasmai pada sanyakaha bhavanti. Teshu ladesheshu tanganau atmane padam. Tang means the ta atam jha thas atam dhvam edvahi mahing plus ana. Ana means shanach and kanach. They are atmane pada. That means the rest of the ladeshas are parasmai pada. So, all these are fundamentals. So, that's why I am clarifying again and again sometimes. Though time is wasted, it's okay. So, now, sich is not a parasmai pada. Why it is not a parasmai pada? Because it is not a ladesha. It's not coming in the place of lakara. Thing is coming in the place of lakara. Sich has not come in the place of lakara. So, it is neither parasmai pada nor atmane pada. So, the sich is followed by parasmai pada. Then this will happen. So, see the book. Sichi vriddhif parasmai padeshu igantangasya vriddhi syat parasmai pade sichi. Yeah. Parasmai pade sichi. When parasmai pada follows sich, when sich follows and sich is followed by parasmai pada. So sich is not parasmai pada. See, when you read this, one may think it is parasmai pada and sich, they seem to be in samanadhikarana, being in the same vibhakti. But we should understand they are not samanadhikarana, they are vyadhikarana. So igantangasya vruddhihi syat. Iganta anga antyasya gets vruddhi. So kshi plus lung, only ta will remain. Then chili lungi and chleha sich. Kshi plus sich sakara and takara. So now see, asti sicho prikte, eat agama will happen. So kshi plus sich plus eat. Yeah. Here we should remember that it will not come. Unlike in the previous dhatus, idagama will not happen. Why? Because kshi is anudatta. So ekacha upadeshe anudattat, it is negated for kshi dhatu. That is why there is no it. So sakara sich plus eat. Then sichi vruddhif parasmai padeshu. Sichi vruddhif parasmai padeshu kshayi, kshayi s eat. Then lung lang drang shvadudattaha iti at agama. So a kshayi seet, seet. So there is I followed by sakara, a pratyaya sakara. Sich is a pratyaya. So this sakara is a pratyaya sakara. So adesha pratyayayoho, adesha pratyayayoho iti akshayshit, akshayshit. Yeah. So the rest you can do, I think. Akshayishtam, akshayishuhu, akshayishihi, akshayishtam, akshayishta, akshayisham, akshayishva, akshayishma. Sichi vruddhihi will happen everywhere. So now lring lakara. So lring lakara is simple. So kshi plus tip, kshi plus sya plus tip, syatasi lirlutoho. So and no it, it is an anit dhatu being anudatta. So kshi plus sya plus tip, ardha dhatukatvat gunaha. Sya is ardha dhatuka. So guna. Kshesh syat, then at agama. Akshesyat, Then adesha pratyayoho aksheshyat, aksheshyat, aksheshyatam, aksheshyan ityadi. See, aksheshyat, aksheshyat, aksheshyatam, aksheshyan, aksheshyah, aksheshyatam, aksheshyata, aksheshyam, aksheshva, aksheshyava, aksheshyava, aksheshyama, yeah, aksheshyam, aksheshyava, aksheshyama. So Kshi Dhatu is over. Now Tapasantape. So it is a simple Dhatu. You know all the rules. He has given this so that you understand how to do lit. So see, Tapati is simple. Tap plus shap plus tip, it will become tapati. No big derivation. So lat is simple. Tapati, tapataha, tapanti, etc. Then lit. Lit is you have to use the formulae that we have already learnt. See, tap plus, okay, we will do lit. Tapa santape, santapa, to heat up or to suffer or to do tapas. All these meanings are there. Yeah. So all are tapati. So tapa santape. So what is it? So he gives some meanings. Chamakna. So one meaning is to shine also. Tapati. Yes. Yena suryas tapati tejasedhaha. So tapas means shining there. Suryas tapati. Or heating also is fine. Yeah. And dukhi hona, to suffer. And tapasya karna, austerity, doing austerity. Yeah. And to heat up, garam karna, all these are tapas, tapa, tapasantape. So you tell me, what is the swara? Where is the swaras? Where is tapas? No, you have to go to Bhadigana. Now we are discussing Bhadigana. Yeah. Yeah. Udatta udattet. So this is udatta. I'll write u. And udattet. This is pa. Okay. Yeah. So this is udattet. So it is not anudatta. Dhatu swara is not anudatta. And the it swara also is not swarita or anudatta. So it is clearly parasmaipadi dhatu. There is no atmanepada nimitta. If it is swarita or anudatta, it should have been either atmanepadi or ubhayapadi. So it is purely parasmaipadi dhatu. So I'm not getting into lat. So lit. Tap plus lit. Okay. Then lasyati badayaha. Tap plus ti tip. Then parasmai padanam nalatusus thalatusa nalvamaha. Tap plus null. Null is a. I'll just write a. Now liti dhator anabhyasasya iti dvitva tap a. Then abhyasa karya haladi sheshaha tap a. Okay. Now this is a nit pratyaya. Ata upadhayaha. There is a sutra. So ata upadhayaha. So the vriddhi, this upadha akara gets vriddhi. Tap a. It will become tatapa. Tatapa. Yeah. Now tap plus tas, tip tas, ji. I'm taking tas. So in the place of tas, atus. Tap plus atus. Null atus. So liti dhator anabhyasasya tap plus atus. Then tap atus. Yeah, now we have another sutra. What is it? Ata ekahal madhye nadeshader liti. We have seen it before, right? Yeah. So see, this is a dhatu, and the dhatu does not begin with adesha. There is no adesha in the beginning of this anga. See, even after abhyasa karya, there is no adesha. The ta is not adesha. It is original letter only. So it is anadeshadi anga. And dhatvavayava ekach has an akara. So then the akara gets a adesha. A gets a adesha. Yeah, et. And abhyasa lopa. Abhyasa gets elided. So it will become tape. This ta goes away. A becomes a tape plus atus. So then it will become tepatuhu. Tepatuhu. Yeah. You can brush up those sutras. Ata ekahal madhye anadeshader liti. Yeah, nanada nedatuhu neduhu. There we have seen similar process. Yeah. Tepatuhu and us, it will become tepuhu. Tatapa tepatuhu tepuhu. So you know the prakriya in another dhatu we have seen. So now madhyama purusha. Tap plus sip in the place of sip, tap plus tha. Thal athus, it is thal. Thal is tha. So now we have to discuss whether it will take it or not. Ardhadhatukasya it valadehe. So we have discussed a flow chart. I don't know whether it is ready. Ardhadhatukasya valadehe iti it is prapta. Then kris, bhr, vris, tudrus, srushruvo, liti. In lit only those are anit. Means all other dhatus will get it in lit. So kris, bhr, studrus, srushruvo, liti. All other dhatus in lit they will get it. Then for thal we have other consideration. Achastasvat thalyanito nityam. So if it is tasi anit, nitya anit, then it will be anit in thal also. So and then this one, yeah, Rito Bharadvajasya, all those things we have to consider. So this is an anudatta dhatu. You said udatta. This dhatu is anudatta. Where you found udatta udattet? Huh? No. Tapa dhatu. Just a minute. Let me tell you. Anudattet. Yeah. This dhatu is anudattet. Just a minute. Let me show you. Tapa 118. Just a minute. 118. That's fine. See. Where is it? So it is not udatta udattet, it is anudatta udattet. Yeah. So I wrote wrongly in the beginning, udatta udattet. So tapa is anudatta and it swara is udatta. Anudatta udattet. Santape. Yeah. So you have to be careful in reading. If you read wrongly, gone.
Where is the end? End of the page.
No, the whole thing. See, it's not beginning or end. See, skandi. Starting from skandi dhatu. See, udatta udattet is over with the nikshvida. After nikshvida, there is skandi. So, skandi onwards, up to mihast sechane, all these are skandyadi. Starting from skandi. See, skandi adayaha means starting from skandi. That is skandir gatishe shoshanayoho. Starting from that dhatu, whatever dhatu is there before this statement are anudatta udattet. Yeah. Udatta udattet, that is referring to the previous dhatu, not the following dhatus. Yeah. So that's why I was wondering how come. So Yeah. So tapa plus tha. Now whether it will come or not is the question. So ardhadhatukasya dvaladehe is valid. Tapa. So it is prapta. Then we have another sutra, ekacha upadeshe anudattat. This is ekacha dhatu and it is anudatta dhatu. So it is negated. Ekacha upadeshe anudattat. It nishedha. Now again we have kradi niyama, krisra bhruvu, etc. Because of krisra bhruvru, for lit it has to come. But then for thal we have other consideration. If it is nitya anit in tas, it will be anit in thal also. Achas tasvat thalyanito nityam. It is for ajanta angas, ajanta dhatus. But this is not an ajanta dhatu. So achas tasvat thalyanito nityam is not applicable. But then we have another sutra, upadeshe atvataha. If the dhatu has a in upadesha, then if it is nitya anit in tas, then in thal also it will be nitya anit. So upadeshe atvataha. So it is nitya, it is anit in thal. But then Rito Bharadvajasya, according to Bharadvaja, only Rikaranta Anga is Nitya Anit. So Upadeshe Atvataha makes it Anit. But Rito Bharadvajasya says, no, this is not Rikaranta, so this has to be set in the case of Thal. So that is how two possibilities. So Bharadvaja and non-Bharadvaja. So one takes it according to Bharadvaja, it will have it. Yeah. According to Bharadvaja, this will have it. Why? Bharadvaja says only Rikaranta will not have it. So according to Bharadvaja, this is not a Rikaranta, so this will have it. But according to Panini, this is Upadeshe Atvan. Upadeshe Atvan Dhatu. Therefore it will not have it. So Panini's view, no it. Bharadvaja's view, it. So we will have two forms. I hope you understand how it is arrived at. Yeah. So tapa plus tha. So this is this will take optional it. So one is it paksha, another is idabhava paksha. So let us look into it paksha. Tap plus itha. So now dvitva etc. Ta tap itha. Then thalicha seti. Thalicha seti. This also we have seen in Nadadhatu. Thalicha seti. If there is a set thal, a thal with it, then same thing will happen. What? Akarasya ekaradeshaha and abhyasa lopa. So tep plus itha. Tepitha. Yeah. Tepitha. Tepitha. This is with it. Then without it, tap plus tha. Tha. So with the dvitva and abhyasa karya plus tha. So thalicha seti will not work here. It is not set, it is anit. So tataptha. Tataptha is another form. So tataptha and tepitha, two forms in thal. Rest are simple. Tepathuhu, tepa. Tepathuhu, tepa. And tatapa, tatapa. In Uttama Purusha, you will find two forms. Because naluttamo va, two forms. Tatapa, tatapa. Tepiva, tepima. So there it will come. Va and ma. Valadi ardhadhatuka. So ardhadhatuka syed valadehe. But this is anudatta dhatu. Ekacha upadeshe anudattat. No it. But then kradi niyama. Krisra bhavu vr. So in lit, only those dhatus will take it, will not take it. That means all other dhatus will have it. Therefore, this will also have it. So, because of kradi niyama, it will have it in lit forms. So, tepiva, tepima. Tatapa, tepatuhu, tepuhu, tepitha, tataptha, tepathuhu, tepa, tatapa, tatapa, tepiva, tepima. These are lit forms. So rest are simple. So lut, etc. you can make yourself. See. Tapati. Tatapa, tepatuhu, tepuhu, tepitha, tataptha, tepiva, tepima. Lut is tapta. Tapta. See, this is anit dhatu. So, no it. Even in tas or sya, there won't be it. So, tapta, taptarau, taptaraha, ityadi. And lrit. Tapsyati, tapsyataha, tapsyanti, etc. Lot, tapatu, tapatam, ityadi. Lang, atapat. Vidhiling, tapet, simple. Ashirling, tapyat, tapyastam, tapyasuhu, ityadi. And lung lakara. Atapsit, tap plus sich plus tip. Then when sich follows, this will get vriddhi. How vriddhi? Sichi Vriddhi Parasmaipadeshu won't work because it is not Iganta Anga. You won't get Iganta Anga. So it is not Sichi Vriddhi Parasmaipadeshu. Vadavraja Halantasyachaha. Halanta. This is a Halanta Dhatu. So Vadavraja Halantasyachaha iti Vriddhihi. So atapsit, ataptam. So jhalo jhali lopaha. So sakara will go away. Ataptam. And atapsuhu. Atapsihi, ataptam, atapta, atapsam, atapswa, atapsma. Then atapsyat. Atapsyat, atapsyatam, atapsyan, lring lakara. So it's simple. Yeah. Then kramudhatu. Kramupada vikshepe. Krama has the meaning of pada vikshepa. Movement of legs. Throwing of legs. Means walking, gamanam, gamanam, padbhyam gamanam ityarthaha. Padena gamanam or padbhyam gamanam. That is the meaning of kramadhatu. So, yeah. See, before this, we will look into certain things. Go to Ashtadhyayi, 3.1 section. Where is Shap Pratyaya enjoined? Kartari Shap. See, 3.168. Sarvadhatu ke yak. Then Kartari Shap. See, he doesn't say Bhadigana will get a Shap. Kartari Shap. When Sarvadhatuka follows in Kartari Shap, this is Utsarga. This is the general rule. But then there are exceptions to this. Divadibhyaha Shyan. If the Dhatu belongs to Divadigana, Divadigana is fourth conjugation. Bhadi, Adadi, Juhotyadi and Divadi. So if the Dhatu belongs to Divadi Gana, then it won't take a Shap Pratyaya. It will take a Shan Pratyaya. Similarly, if the Dhatu belongs to Swadi Gana, then it will take a Shnu Pratyaya instead of Shap. So similarly, if it belongs to Tudadi Gana, see 77, Tudadibhyaha Shaha. So like that he has given other Gana, other Vikarana Pratyayas. These Pratyayas are called Vikarana Pratyaya. Panini doesn't say that. It is our convention. So like that there are other pratyas. See, Rudhadibhyaha Shnam. Rudhadigana will take a Shnam pratyaya instead of Shap. Then Tanadi Krinyabhyaha Uhu. Tanadigana will take U pratyaya. Then Kriyadibhyaha Shna. Kriyadigana, it will have Shna pratyaya instead of Shap. So for Bhadi, he does not say any specific pratyaya. Similarly for Churadi, there are 10 ganas, right? What are the 10 ganas? भादि अदादि जुहोत्यादि दिवादि स्वादि तुदादि रुधादि तनादि क्रियादि and चुरादि. भाद्यदादि जुहोत्यादि दिवादिस्वादिरेव च तुदादिश्च रुधादिश्च तनक्रियादिचुरादयः. These are 10 ganas. So all ganas you will find in Dhatu Patha. And gana is called by that name because the first dhatu is that one, bhu. First dhatu is bhu. Then it is called bhadigana. So that is how, so for bhadi he doesn't say a specific one. But generally he has given shap, kartari shap. That is how we understand for bhadi shap has to come. Because no other gana, other pratyaya is not given. But for other pratyaya, other ganas, he has given other pratyayas, shna, shnam, etc. Of course, for adadi also there is no another pratyaya is not given. Shap alone will come. Then look, adiprabhatibhyaha shapaha, look. Then juhotyadi also there is no specific pratyaya, only shap, but then shlu. Juhotyadi, the shap will get elided by shlu. Then churadi, no specific pratyaya. So shap only. For bhadi and churadi, shap will remain as it is. So that is how he has allotted the vikarana pratyayas based on dhatu, based on the ganas. So now for krama we have to see a sutra. Va bhrasha bhlasha bhramu kramu klamu trasi truti lashaha. Okay, we'll see that in the next session. Vrittavasane nataraja rajo nanada dhakkam nava panchavaram uddhartu kamassanakadi siddhan etadvimarshe shiva sutra jalam.